Alright, hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about how I shoot my footage when I'm riding the motorbike. So I've combined the mounts that I'd already had on my helmet for a GoPro, and I've come up with a little system, but it works really well. If you have a look at my Yandina edit, pretty happy with that. That was shot with this setup that I have now. What I want to be able to do is have the option of throwing a GoPro on or swapping over to using the Osmo, vice versa. I'd like to use things that I have lying around, and I'm trying to create a system where I don't have two sets of attachments and components. You're going to need a chesty. We need two of those GoPro mounts that go into your mount points. So what you will need is the gimbal extension lead. What you're going to land up with is your handle, which has the battery in it, and the controller, and then the other end goes onto your actual gimbal. So now what you have is your gimbal is separated from the handle, which makes it a lot less bulky, and also you'll see where it all starts coming together. So the next thing to do is to attach your 1/4 inch thread to one of those. Try not to over tighten anything. So then what I've got is a curved standard GoPro mount on the top of my helmet. How it mounts on top. So that's that part. So we now have the camera mounted to the top of your helmet. When you turn it on, it's going to automatically go into flashlight mode. And there we go. Alright, so now that is ready to film. It gives you a really good perspective. You get great footage this way, great stabilized footage. Alright, so there you have that component. So what do we do with this? So I needed to figure out a way to have this handle accessible, and that's where I came up with the idea. This guy. So this is an attachment to attach a GoPro to a tripod mount. So that is going to go onto there. So now we have a way of attaching that to one of these. Right, so we tighten that up into that position with a lock nut. So now we have the ability to attach that to something. So this is where the chest mount comes in. We've got our chest mount. Okay, so we have the ability to control. You can use your left hand, all right, to adjust that while you're riding. So that's good. You can double tap that to reset your angle, and if you get this angle set up correctly on your helmet here, and you notice that your angle's a little bit funny, you don't have to stop. You can just double tap that and that will recenter it for you. Not interfering with any of the controls of the motorbike. I actually use my old Samsung S5. I've got a case for it. I've stuck a GoPro mount on the back. I have a monitor. There you have it. Once you've got that angle set on this mount, you leave that and you're good to go. Okay, so I just thought I'd quickly show you how it mounts onto the rear of the helmet. We're going to take it like this, triple tap it, and it's going to face backwards. And then you still, from this position, because it's in the upright mode, you actually have the ability to pan, all right, next to your buddy, like that. So I hope you found that useful. Any questions, any ideas, any comments? Let me know. I'd love feedback. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.